Hey everyone, and welcome to this quick video on how to become a certified AI specialist in IT and development. So this basic video basically shows you step by step what you need to learn and the different steps on how to become a certified AI specialist in IT and development. So on this page that you will find on the certifications page of completeaitraining.com, where you will find a whole bunch of certifications available for you. So on this page, you definitely find all the information in order to become certified. This little sign up form here on the right side. And we also explain the different steps you need to know in order to become certified. So basically, what are the benefits? Well, as an IT specialist, you probably already know a lot about AI, as in you probably follow it because most IT people do at the moment. And AI obviously had a huge impact on your job, and and it also has a huge impact on basically everyone's job. This is, by the way, the reason why we created CompleteAItraining.com. Let me scroll up. So on CompleteAItraining.com, there's AI training programs for over 220 professions. So let me quickly go back to the story. Yeah, one of the benefits of being certified is obviously the status. So these days, definitely in an IT job, you need to show that you have AI knowledge, and that's what we built this program for. You basically show that you're serious about your proof and you're future-proofing your skills. In general, we see a huge increase in job opportunities. So definitely as an IT specialist, if you don't have any IT knowledge, even if you're just an IT manager or not directly a technical IT job, it does have a huge advantage to basically show that you have the IT skills. So you increase your job opportunities because you save a lot of time. You're more productive and efficient with AI if you use AI in the right way. On average, we see that people will earn a 30% higher salary, at least the people that signed up for the platform do. So that's a huge benefit. And you basically prepare yourself for career growth. So if you want to learn AI and prepare yourself for the certification, we advise you to go to the IT and development courses section. That you can find on the website. You can simply search for IT, and there's the category. Here you'll find all the IT jobs that we have training programs for. So pick yours, and basically if we take the AI for IT managers job profile, you'll find a whole bunch of video courses that basically bring you from beginner to advanced. So this is both about generative AI and all the office tools you can use. Wait, let me click the video courses tab. Prompt engineering, we know about how to build custom GPTs, also data analysis. So basically study these video courses. Then on the prompt courses, you see all the tasks you can do as an IT manager in this case. So anything from cybersecurity recommendations, infrastructure assessments, hardware upgrade recommendations. So basically learn all these prompt courses. And if you do that, you're basically ready for the certification. So the rest of the certification works as follows. You basically apply for IT certification on this page. So you can either fill in this form over here, which consists of a couple of steps. And you will also find the form on the bottom of the website, over here. And after that, we do a eligibility check. So if you are a member of CompleteAItraining.com, you will get one certification per year for free. And otherwise the price is $99, but at the moment the price of a subscription is also $99. So you basically get it for free, if you will. If you want to do more than one certification as a subscriber, you get a 20% discount. So that's $79. After that, you will get the certification exam. So the test consists of 20 to 30 questions that are more multiple choice questions that are more theoretical. So you show us and the rest of the world, after you have the certification, you show us that that you have the theoretical AI knowledge. And after that, there's 4 to 8 practical long-form project-based questions. And these questions basically show that you can use AI in the real world. So that you have real world AI experience. And so that's what these questions are for. So they're quite extensive and basically, yeah, like I said, they're more project-based long-form questions. The number of these questions is variable, so it's from 20 to 30 multiple choice, 4 to 8 practical questions. This is because the tests are pretty much always variable and unique. So this is why those numbers are variable. So you can do this certification at your own pace. We usually advise to do this within a couple of weeks after receiving it. After that, we can do an evaluation. This will take a couple of days because it's a manual process. When we're really busy, it can take up to 1 week. At the moment, we're quite busy. It takes like a couple of days. And after this manual review, you will either pass the exam and you will be a certified AI, IT, and development specialist. Or you fail. We hope not, obviously. And then we will give you extensive feedback exactly on what you need to learn. And then you can do the test again. I do think it's important to say that because this is all a manual process and the $99 for the certification are already very affordable, you would have to pay again if you want to do the test again. Anyway, if you learn the learning material in detail for your profession, then you are likely to pass. Because we basically spell it all out on our training course website for your profession. So good. If you want to know more, please check out the IT certification page. Everything is described over here, pricing, the exams, etc. And there's also an extensive FAQ section. If you want to know more about CompleteAItraining.com, scroll to our website, scroll around. Again, there's 220 different training programs for 220 different jobs. They're all categorized, and we all sort our the different data we offer. One of the key benefits that I almost forgot to say of CompleteAItraining.com is that we basically continuously update you on all the AI information that's relevant for you. So because AI developments are going so quick at the moment, we use our website, so Complete AI Training website, to always update and categorize all the relevant new updates that are relevant for you. And we update them on your course page. So that's why we built CompleteAItraining.com. If you want, you can start a 3-day trial via the sign up button here on top or this button. As you can see, it's $99 a year, $990 a year for the business subscription. That gives access to up to 20 people and up to 10 certifications are included in this program. So feel free to check that out, and I hope to see you soon as a certified IT and development specialist.